At Innostrat, innovation drives every solution, built on precision, reliability, and intelligence. So in this project, our team tackled a tough assembly challenge, installing black foam on curved black surfaces, where the vision system struggles to distinguish the foam. Our system ensures perfect placement, inspecting each part for waviness and tight tolerances with precision. Another challenge was detecting clips inside a slot with mechanical play, a small gap that can make clips appear locked even when they're not. Using AI-powered vision cameras, we developed an intelligent detection system that verifies every clip's position, ensuring it's fully locked and secure for transport. Each component is serialized and 2D barcoded for full traceability, powered by poka-yoke logic and 𝗬𝗏𝗍𝗏, guaranteeing zero defect performance start to finish. Innostrat, where precision shapes intelligent manufacturing. Visit us at Innostrat.com.